hiding at?
He probably over that trick house.
What trick?
The shaky fool.
Ooh. I miss making love to her.
Me too.
What you talking about?
I was helping you out.
How was you was helping me?
You was locked down, fool.
Man, just give me the book.
Oh, man. All right, so what you want to do, my man, go to the corner, go about 3 blocks down, and make a right, and you'll be right there on
Check
Crenshaw.
out.
All right, Sean.
Hibbity, and a hop, hop. Check out. Hop, hop, hibbity, and a hop, hop, hibbity, hop.
What should we do?
Run like a... Mama! Wait, Mama!
You okay, man? You got hit by the bullets, man?
No, I got hit by a car.
Come on, here, all right, come on. Hey, nigga, let's get him in the truck. Hey, nigga, get his baby shoe. Hey, nigga, I know you crippled, but help me out. Come on. What? Bring your simple ass, Trey.